Welcome back to this new episode on Parenting Essentials. I want to believe you had a great week. How is your family? How are things around? How is work? I believe the week went on smoothly. Do you sometimes feel that your child doesn't listen? Do you get into power struggles when you want your child to do something? Positive relationship is the most important tool that you need to get your child listen and follow direction. It is also very important for you to give clear direction that fit into your child's age. Good direction can make you have daily positive interaction with your children. Today, I'll be talking about clear direction. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you have your child's attention when you're giving directions. Many a times we give directions to our children without their attention. Sometimes they're not even aware that we're giving directions to them, or not even having a clue about the understanding of this direction. So ensure you have your child's attention every time you're giving directions. In getting your child's attention, you might need to bend down, squat, or sit next to your child in order to have eye contact, especially when you're talking to early years. It is very, very essential for you to have eye contact with your child. This ensures the full understanding of the direction you are giving to your child. Don't forget, for you to get your child's attention, you might need to bend down, squat, or sit next to your child in order to give eye contact. You have to ensure tone changes. Give direction on a neutral tone. Avoid yelling or shouting, most especially when you're talking to little ones. Early years between age 0 to 4-5 years, most of the time they don't really understand these instructions, but to get to know through your tone, the neutral voice, that mommy's serious right now, this is what mommy's telling me. So you don't have to yell, you don't have to shout, but ensure there is difference between when talking to your child on a normal level or when you're giving direction without shouting or yelling. Tell your child what you want him or her to do instead of what not to do. Many a times, many parents tell children what not to do instead of giving the direction. You should tell your child, please don't scatter the house. Don't go to that side to play, please. So you have to ensure you're giving direction rather than telling what not to do. Tell your children what you expect them to do. I want you to clean up. You don't always clean up every time. Anytime you finish eating, you don't pack your dishes. That is not an instruction. Remember to clean up when you finish eating, please. Kindly clean up when you finish. You don't always clean up. So please ensure you give a clear direction. Avoid asking questions when you want your child to do something. Would you like to go and clean the dishes? That's a question. It's not a direction. Would you like to go and clean up your playroom? Your child can decide to say no, or I'm going to do it later at my own pace. Clean the dishes, please. Go and clean up your playroom, please. So, please, let's be conscious of this. Avoid asking questions. Give directions. Give one direction at a time. This is most especially for the younger ones, especially age 2 to 4. Give one direction at a time. They do not understand much. They are just getting to know a whole lot of things. So ensure you give one direction at a time, not too many things at the same time, so that your child can comprehend. Choose your words carefully. Give directions that are clear enough. I'm going out now. I don't want to see anywhere scattered. I don't want to meet anything scattered in this house. A whole lot of kids do not understand. You don't want to meet, so what do you want? I'll be out. Kindly clean up the house. Please give a clear direction. Choose your words carefully. When giving direction, be polite and be respectful. Politeness and respect when giving children direction, teach them manners. Let me take my plate, please. Come over, please. Thank you for doing that. I tell people, and I did it with my own children also. From day one, When you're giving your child anything, for example, even if it's the milk bottle, say thank you. It's just going to be part of his or her mannerism. Thank you for your milk. If you're getting something from your child, a toy, thank you. If you accidentally spill the milk on your child, I'm sorry. A lot of kids find it difficult these days to say sorry, thank you, because it's not in their vocabulary in their house. They see it as a big deal. They're so proud about, why would I say thank you? Why should I say sorry? But if you as a mother or father always use the word sorry when necessary and thank you when needed, it's going to be part of your child mannerism. No big deal. Thank you for giving me that sweet. Thank you for having this. So, teaching your child to say thank you or sorry doesn't have to be from a particular age. From day one, when you're giving the breast milk, say thank you for drinking my breast milk. If you accidentally spilled the milk, I'm sorry. So it's going to be something that's just normal for your child to apologize, to say thank you when necessary. Use gesture where necessary. Many a times children do not understand what you're telling them to do, but with the motion of hands, they will understand and get the clue better. I just want to take this moment to say thank you to everyone who is sharing our videos. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your comment. We are not taking that for granted. Thank you so much. So the coming week is going to be still on Clear Directions. There's quite a lot of things to talk about in Clear Direction. And don't forget, we are going to be answering questions. So for any question that you might have on your mind, please send us an email on dvisionguy@gmail.com as been displayed on the screen. We are going to be waiting to receive your questions, and we're going to answer your questions as much as we can. It promises to be an amazing time. I wish you a very great week. Don't forget, I am Hoye, your parenting coach. I love you, and I'll see you again. Bye.